Before we dive into this video where we talk about Nexus Snap, the commission structure, new things happening with the company, and why you should join, I'm going to tell you real quick why you should join me right now. 1 January, they're having a special where you're going to get 100% check match, but you need 5 people to come in and do that. So how would you like for someone to help you to bring in your first 5 people into this organization? That's exactly what I'm going to help you do. But the first thing you have to do is you have to, first of all, join. So go to the link in the description, be sure to join. Not only that, if you're in the US, I can get you reimbursed or funded to join this opportunity, which means you don't even have to pay the money to get started. So this is going to be for the first 50 people that come in that are serious about this opportunity, that want to be in it for the long run, that want to have residuals, that by a year from now, want to have next Christmas and not have to worry about working a job, not have to worry about going to a boss, not have to worry about where the money's going to come from. We can start growing this business right now and build it. So next Christmas and next year, you're in a totally 360 different position. So for the next 50 people that come in, I'm going to help you personally. You will be inside my live chat. I already have a team funnel build that you can take advantage of. If you can't take advantage of that, I have some free systems you can tap into. I have a way you can get leads immediately. We're going to help you with attraction marketing. We're going to help you with growing your brand. Whatever social media you're on, we're going to help you with your social media. If you want to be on camera, off camera, no matter what you want to do, there's a lot that's going to be offered here to you for the next 50 people to take advantage. So I'll see you on the inside. Let's get to the video. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, Get Money Headquarters. Stay tuned in. Here's the video for today, and let's get this money, y'all. My support information, my contact information is in the description. My live support button where you can get to me 24/7 is on my team page. You can also get a page just like the one you're looking at and turn it into another stream of income. We got so much in store for you. Take action. Don't sit on the fence. Don't delay. People are reaching out to me already. People are calling me, texting me, and going to my emails. So my line will build up fast. Spillover will come up fast. That's why I said the next 50 people, they're going to experience the spillover the fastest. If you wait, I'm still going to help you, but this is the cheat code. That's not just going to be me building. The 2 top people in my team are the 2 of the builders right here, 2 6-figure earners. And on top of that, they have people under them that are going to build. I'm going to also teach you how to build. So we're not going to just be a people that kick our feet up here and just sit here and wait for spillover. I'm going to teach you how to create spillover and how that check match is going to help everybody and show everybody how in 2024, we're going to get more with this program and everything else, because I'm going to show you how to build your 5 and then build more than that. So to the next 50 people, I'll see you on the inside. Here's today's video.
I'm about to be dropping videos and content on this channel back to back with valuable information and insider information you need when it comes to being successful in this arena. So if you haven't already hit the like button and joined and subscribed to this channel, do at this moment. Also, I'm just going to take the content and the other information I'm going to share with you and put that in the next video, because you know we have short attention spans nowadays for various reasons. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. But this is what I am going to do. So what I decided I'm going to do for the rest of the video is I'm going to give you a sneak peek of some of the pages behind the scenes. This automated funnel is crazy. It's going to help you get signups when it comes to Nexus Snap. Not only that, again, I can help you get funded, which is going to help our team grow very fast when it comes to US people, because I can only help you get funded if you're in the US. You will also be able to share the same thing. Also, we have other streams on the back end for marketing systems and a way to help you get $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 when you're ready, with leads that you can help send this whole system to. Like I told you, I'm gonna help you get your first 5 signups and way beyond that. So if you're ready to dig in for the year and work with a team that's gonna really help you put you where you want to be in life, no guarantees, just hard work, sweat, tears. Not hard work, sweat, and tears, but basically we're gonna get you right. We're gonna show you how to do attraction marketing. We're gonna show you how to basically do it the easy way, work smarter, not harder. I'm talking to people every day, so don't delay. Eventually, I'm going to show on the screen how many people are on my team, and you're going to be like, dang, I should have got in. So this is your chance. Here's some sneak peeks to some of the pages. Click the link in the description. You can get funded from the same link. You can also get access to the Nexus Snap page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 things also. I'm going to put the company link below so you can go directly express and sign up and lock in your quickest space if you want to. Also, you can see what the company offers as a company page. The second link is going to be my team funnel, where you're going to be able to go through and see exactly what the golden ticket freedom funnel is all about and how you're going to get more for 2024.